Now to put it back up, it's pretty much do the opposite. But putting it up is the hardest part. When you are putting it up, I suggest getting these clips in first. Then from here, pretty much do everything in reverse order. Put these corners back on. Go ahead and zip the window back down. Then make sure this rod on the back gets put back into its little groove right here. Put your little tabs back in. Close the back. Then put your windows back in. If you can, get this front edge linked up before you do the bottom edge. Then do the other side. Now to get a better view of how this kind of links in, this edge has to fit in here as a corner. So this right here is going to be flush with this side. I think it's best to start at the bottom. Pretty much just grab that corner and push it in. And it kind of pops just like that. And walk it all the way up. And this down here is kind of similar. This flap fits under this lip right here. You just push it down, force it under, and you're going to walk it the entire length. And then just reattach Velcro. Now the last part is to pull the so-called sunroof down. Push it down. And with this latch back, push that one forward until it's hooked. Now push that latch forward and do the same on the other side. And then put your visors back. And now your top is back on. You're ready to go driving in the rain again. You're good to go.